So now we're going to look at the general equation of the circle. Now looking at this here, you might not immediately realize that this is actually also an equation of a circle. So we're going to just manipulate this a little bit and maybe it'll become a little bit clearer. So if we go x squared minus 2x plus y squared minus 4y minus 12 equals 0. And what we can do in this is complete the square, but we complete the square twice. So this becomes x minus 1 squared minus 1 plus y minus 2 squared minus 4, and then minus 12 again equals 0. We move everything around, x minus 1 all squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 5, okay, yeah, minus, this becomes minus 17, then it becomes positive 17. Over here now, you might recognize that's exactly the same equation as in the previous question. It's just written out. So if you expand this out, you get this, and if you put it in another form, you'll get this. So you have a center, let's see, 1, 2, get that from here, and with a radius equal to the square root of 17. Okay, so why is this useful? Okay, well, because of this, we can make some new rules for the general equation. So the general equation is written out like this. This is the way you'll have it in the equation sheet. So you have x squared plus y squared equals 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so if you expand this out again, do what I just did but complete the squares, but we'll just keep in the variables. This is what you get. You get x plus g squared minus g squared plus y plus f all squared minus f squared plus c equals 0. Because remember, when you complete the square, you take half the value and take away the square of that value, which is what we've done here. So we had 2g in there, we put in g, we take away g squared. And then again, it becomes this, x plus g squared plus y plus f squared equals g squared plus f squared minus c, right? And you remember from our example before that it's just that's usually just equal to r squared. So now we can have a new expression where we can figure out, well, if the center is just going to be minus value of g, then minus value of f, right? And then the radius is just going to be g squared plus f squared minus c, because here we usually have that equals r squared, and then again for the center.